Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Transcendent Work, Maintenance app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Transcendent Work, Maintenance is a comprehensive facility and maintenance management app designed to help businesses, property managers, and service teams track, schedule, and manage maintenance tasks efficiently. The app offers features such as work order management, preventive maintenance scheduling, asset tracking, real-time updates, and reporting tools. It also supports notifications and team collaboration, ensuring maintenance operations run smoothly and on time. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate Transcendent Work's intuitive interface, organized dashboard, and ability to streamline task assignments and follow-ups. Automated alerts and reminders help reduce downtime, while reporting tools provide insights into maintenance performance and resource utilization. The app is particularly useful for teams managing multiple locations or assets. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some users note that certain advanced features may require additional setup or training, and mobile responsiveness can occasionally lag on older devices. While the app offers valuable automation, full access to advanced reporting, integrations, and premium features may require a subscription, which could be costly for smaller teams. In summary, the Transcendent Work, Maintenance app may be worth using if you want to improve maintenance workflow, reduce downtime, and maintain organized task management. However, if you need highly customizable workflows or are looking for a free solution, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.